Adding ChatGPT to WhatsApp is not as simple as in Discord. Here we have to use a third-party service. You can use any of them. I'm using Timelines AI. First, you need to go to the Timelines AI and make an account and choose a subscription plan. This is important. Now you have to connect WhatsApp to the Timelines AI. You can simply see on the left side chatbot, ChatGPT. Here you can see the API key option. Here you need to put your API key. How would you get your API key? It's very simple. Go to the ChatGPT website. Here you can see the OpenAI API key on your different account. This is very important. Do not share your OpenAI key. It's confidential. After integrating the API key in the settings, now you can set up your chatbot. You can define the rules for the ChatGPT that you should respond, such as specific keyword, customer inquiry, or anything like that. Now you have to go live and monitor this. As you can see on the screen, regularly check the performance logs in the Timelines AI. Now before ending this video, first thing you need to remember, this would work on the WhatsApp business one. And another thing is you have to regularly check the performance. Means OpenAPI is not that free, and you have to check the performance and uses of your API key. Otherwise you'll see unexpected charges. And I'll see you in the next one.